Hello everyone, Nabil from Auto Repair Champs. I've got a 2012 Ford Focus SE, and today I'm going to show you the location of the Bank 1, Sensor 1, Bank 1, Sensor 2, O2 sensor, oxygen sensors. I'm going to show you the locations of each one of them. Let me just put this back where it was. So if you look down here, this is going to be sensor 1. There's only 2 sensors on this vehicle. This is the front of the car and this is the back of the vehicle. On the back of this intake manifold and the exhaust manifold here, you have Bank 1, Sensor 1, and then down there right there, the sensor that's plugged in into the muffler. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Right there, that's gonna be sensor 2. And the way you remove those, the first one is located at the bottom harness here. There's 2 harnesses here on the side. You just follow this wire and then you just press on this right there. You press on this and you unplug the sensor, and there's a couple of plastic retainers here that plugs it into this plate metal right here to hold it. Once you remove this, I believe this is going to be size 22. Yep, it is size 22. I use something like this here. These are special sockets for sensors, and it is size either 7/8 or 22, and it just goes on this right there. Alright, so now that we got the O2 sensor out, here's in one of these sockets. Sorry I didn't show you the details of removing this because I'm recording and doing the work myself. So this sensor is out. We got a new replacement, and that's, I'm going to show you the part number. This is Bosch brand, and the part number for the upstream is 17321, and this is what the new sensor is going to look like. You can see this is, if you want to compare the plugs, identical. And then it's got these little retainers also. Just make sure you got some anti-seize. And what I normally do, I just use my hands to twist this in. And I use the same socket, long 22. Actually, it looks like, yeah, I can probably get by doing this, or maybe I can use a different one, which I do have another one that's a little shorter. Let me show you what the other one looks like, if I can find it. So this is my short one. It's the short version. Probably it's pretty much the same concept. The only difference is this will go all the way in. Alright, and this is my 1/2 inch. Alright, I'm gonna pause this for a second. I need to tighten this up. Alright, so I did tighten this up, and again, it goes into, see if I can show you this, the bottom one. This is the top one for the, it's kind of weird how they have the top sensor here, the harness for the bottom bank 2 downstream sensor, and then the harness that's located at the bottom here is for the top one upstream. Anyways, that's how you replace them. That's how you replace the O2 sensor, and that's the part number. It's a Bosch 17321. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, and share your video, and we'll see you with another one.